Hello, myself Yamuna Pail. Welcome to Yamuna's physics classes. Today we have a very short topic known as electric dipole. It comes as 1.11 in the lesson electrostatics, class 12 physics. So let us see what is an electric dipole. Electric dipole means it is a pair of equal and opposite point charges separated by a small distance is known as an electric dipole. Now, what do you mean by point charge? Point charge in the sense, if you have a charge and if the size of the charge is very small compared to the separation between them, then we call it as point charge. And we assume that the entire charge is concentrated to a particular point. So, here this charge comes to a point, here this charge comes to a point. So, one point charge here, another point charge here, one is minus q, the other one is plus q at a small separation. So the distance between this minus q and this plus q is given as 2a. From here to here it is 2a. And from the center or the midpoint of the two, it will be taken as a and a. Clear? The midpoint is the center of the dipole. Means 2a is the total length, half of it is a. Now the line joining the two charges through O is the axis of the dipole. If you have a line from A to B along its length, here you cannot say along its length. This you can consider similar to a bar magnet having a north and a south end. And if you have a line along the length of that magnet, that is axis. Similarly, from A to B through O, you have a straight line known as axial line. Now, if you have a plane perpendicular to the axis through O, it is known as equatorial line, or if you have a plane through O, you will get it as equatorial plane. These two terms we will have to come across in the next continuous sections. So be careful, what is an axial line, what is an equatorial line. Now one more thing, total charge of an electric dipole is absolutely zero because you have equal and opposite charges, and you know additive property of a charge. If I have studied the additive property of a charge, just manually add like a scalar. Plus 5 minus 5 goes to 0. Similarly, plus q minus q goes to 0. So this is a vague idea regarding electric dipole. We need this for all our further classes. So that is electric dipole. Now one more point you have to learn, electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. It's a vector quantity, purely vector quantity with 2aq as the magnitude and p cap as the direction. What is 2aq? 2a means you have a small distance, it's known as 2a. And what is q? You have an equal and opposite charge, that is q. So 2a into q gives the magnitude and p cap shows the direction. And what is p cap? P cap is a unit vector. This is the word unit vector showing the direction of p cap, and it is directed from minus q to plus q. Very important wordings. Directed from minus q to plus q. So in this figure, this is the position of minus q, this is the position of plus q. So you have to draw a line from minus q to plus q showing the direction of p cap. So if you are facing the board like this, it is towards your right. So what is minus p cap? Towards left. So be sure p cap is a unit vector going from minus q to plus q. To emphasize the importance of p cap, I just remind you of I, J, K vectors. I cap, J cap, K cap are unit vectors representing x-axis, y-axis, z-axis respectively. Also, minus I cap, minus J cap, minus K cap represent minus x, minus y, minus z coordinates respectively. So whenever you come across cap, beware that it is unit vector. And the duty of a unit vector is just to show the direction, because you know the magnitude is single value, unit value or 1. So only the duty of unit vector is underlined to show the direction. So what is the direction of t cap? Again I repeat, it is from minus q to plus q. Clear? So only two simple points we have discussed. What is an electric dipole? What is electric dipole moment? Hope it is very clear. What is electric dipole? Equal and opposite charges at a small separation. What is P bar? P bar is just the product of 2A and Q, and it has a direction from minus Q to plus Q. I just write all these things on the board because you can carry out along with listening to me, so that the notes is also ready for you. Thank you for watching.